boy Trigger Man, back in the lab. And what we have here. Alright, so this is something new we're going to be trying. We're going to go down YouTube painter videos, okay? But we're going to do a test run first to see if I like it, see if you guys like it, and to see if it's something that we even want to entertain before we really get started and steer things up. You dig? So, yeah. So, we'll go down through channels and see what we feel is misleading. Who knows, man? Who knows? We're just going to freestyle. Today, we're just going to do something and see if you guys like it. You know, chime in. Let me know if you like the setup. Just something else we can do, you know. Here we go. First, we'll start with this news clip.
Night with around the country, classic cars in good to excellent condition are viewed as an investment. And the condition of the paint on these cars adds to that value.
Yeah, they really can be beautiful. Well, tonight, a car collector in Sevier County is disappointed with the quality of the paint recently applied to his 62-year-old Cadillac.
He tells
62-year-old Cadillac. Now, this sounds like UPK. Underground Paint King. He likes to paint all those old classics, so maybe he did this job.
6 on your side consumer reporter Don Dare, bubbles are the problem with the new paint job on his car.
Bubbles? No, that wasn't the champ. That wasn't UPK. Not painting no bubbles. No, he don't do that. So take that back.
That's exactly right, Elizabeth. The
That must have been a pro painter.
car has been repainted twice in 2 years, but the blisters or bubbles continue to pop up on the finish. Paint restoration can bring a car back to its original glory. A functional older car can be transformed with a coat of fresh paint. But Chuck Finazzo doesn't view the new paint on his classic Caddy as an investment. In its day, this fully equipped 1960 Cadillac Fleetwood was top of the line. Even in this day, it gets a lot of attention. However, the owner is disappointed in the condition of the new paint on his classic car.
Now that looks good to me. I don't see nothing wrong there.
In March of 2020, Chuck Finazzo took his Caddy to Maaco on Western Avenue in Knoxville, which was then under different management and ownership. In the shop, the old paint was stripped and primed, and during the process, old bodywork was repaired. Also, dings and dents were removed. The bill was $3,500. Warranty on the work was for 5 years. In May of 2020, he got the car back.
That's what I paid them. Their best paint job, $3,500, was to do the body work and the paint.
That should have been alarming right there. Your best paint job, $3,500, including all that body work.
And they did that, but it started bubbling. So I took it back and they redid it again.
Details in the contract state paint and base coat have a 5-year prorated warranty. But after being painted a second time, within weeks, paint blisters or bubbles popped up again in several areas of the car's body.
This is a large paint bubble right here that's got air in it.
Oh, yeah.
Where the paint has went on there and it's left air behind it.
And will that peel eventually?
Eventually. If it gets any kind of crack or a pinhole, it'll peel and it'll start spreading.
Now, I was going to say that's probably peeling from the existing paint that was on there since it wasn't stripped down to metal. But that kind of looks like where they did filler work. So more than likely some type of air pocket under the filler to the metal. I'm assuming. But you pro painters, go ahead, chime in. Let us know.
And you have one forming up here?
There's some more little ones right here forming.
On the trunk, we have quite a few bubbles.
Yes. Yes, there's this one right here. It's this big. And then there's another smaller one. It's hard to see. And then there's a real big one right here. It's all air inside the paint.
And that's going to expand.
Oh, yes. As soon as that gets a crack in it, all this is going to peel. This whole area will just start peeling everywhere.
Dissatisfied, Mr. Finazzo returned to the paint shop. However, in March of 2021, owners of the Maaco garage were out of business. Chuck said he was told by the corporate office the Knoxville shop would reopen under new management. So in July of last year, that second paint job was examined, close attention given to the bubbles and other imperfections. However, he was informed it would not be repainted.
Man, look at that around the keyhole. It's like the old paint. They didn't feather it out. Like, man, that looks awful. From a distance, when it first came out of the garage, it looked like a decent paint job. But, man, look at the peel and everything.
Did a third time.
And when I called corporate, they said that they weren't going to fix it. They said, is it cracking or peeling? I says, not yet, it's bubbled. I said, but if those bubbles break open, it's going to peel. And they said they weren't going to warranty it.
Chuck was told the warranty covered only cracks and peeling, not bubbles or blisters. 6 on Your Side wrote to Maaco's corporate office twice, asking why the warranty wasn't being honored as it had been the first time. We didn't hear from them, but Mr. Finazzo did. About 10 days ago, additional pictures were taken of the imperfections, but the answer had not changed.
They fixed it the second time, now they won't fix it again. And it's doing the same thing in the same spot again.
He hasn't figured out yet what he's going to do next about the paint. Again, we reached out to Maaco's corporate office twice for comment. There's been no response to our inquiry. Also, the current local Maaco franchise operator and owner did not paint the car originally or repaint it. That was done by the previous operator at the shop in Western Avenue. So what does it mean when paint starts to bubble? We were told by an expert that paint blisters or bubbles occur when the paint film lifts from the metal surface. The loss of adhesion, we were told.
The loss of adhesion when it lifts from the metal. Now, is it possible that those bubbles could be from the primer, some sealer, base coat? Where do you guys think that this vehicle is peeling from? Where do you think it's peeling from? And then also, where are the different places that it's possible that those bubbles could happen from? Chime in.
Is usually caused by heat, moisture, or a combination of both, and the condition can eventually lead to peeling. Chuck says he has a nice looking car, but the paint blisters don't add to its value. Elizabeth?
Don, thank you so much. If you have a consumer question for Don, you can send him an email at ddare@wate.com. You can also call his 6 on Your Side hotline number. You see it posted right there on your screen, 865-633-5974.
Well, if you guys have any inquiries, maybe you can call Don. I hear Don is a pro painter. But yeah, man, so that's it on this one. It's pretty cool, you know. Let me know what you guys think about this type of format of video, and also where do you think those bubbles can come from, and also if you think UPK might have had something to do with this. I'm just playing, brother. I'm just playing. But anyway, so yeah, that's gonna do it on this one, man. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.